All right, well, what if we're cruising, we have all our files, our project, and we wanted to start coding, but we just don't like this IP address, and you want to be able to visit like whatever I want.local and see this stuff at index.php. Let's put some actual code. We'll just reprint PHP version and do normal zoom. And our goal is going to be, we want to be able to do whatever I want.local and be able to access the files here. So we're kind of like creating our own little DNS. And you do that through something called a host file. I'm going to do this through the command line. If you don't know the command line, just Google search how to do this. It's the same thing if you would do it through your editor. If you're on a Mac, it's going to be in a little bit different location. Just Google search how to change my host file on Windows, and you're going to get something that looks almost the same, that looks almost the exact same as what I'm about to show you. So once you get into this host file here, it will look something like this. And all you need to do is copy and paste the IP address, which I'm going to do right now. And then you can do and then just pick your domain that you want to use. So I'm going to do whatever I want.local. And now if I visit, and I just saved it, if you didn't catch me saving it, if I visit this URL, I'm still seeing the same thing. This is great for like development purposes. Now I can do logic based on a host name or whatever for kind of doing a dev staging production environment. If you want to do multiple, for example, we could do whatever I want.local. You could just add an additional one after it. It works the exact same way. Oh, and both of those will resolve. The only thing I quickly want to note is if you do .dev, Google doesn't allow you to do that anymore, and you'll get forced to an SSL. So watch this. So if I try to do this now with .dev, Google Chrome is going to force me to do an SSL. So that's the only one you can't do, but you could really pick whatever you want. Like you can even do, if you want to get crazy, if I really wanted to be like google.com. If we want to do google.com, I'm now masking my thing here because I'm telling my computer to go to this IP address instead of whatever Google's IP address is through the DNS. And that's how that works. I'm going to delete this and then go back to the 192. But that wraps up how you can use Scotchbox for development.